Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to post live photos on TikTok. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, quick heads up here, live photos won't work on Android, okay? It basically works for iOS users, okay? For iPhone users. When you take a live photo using your iOS, just basically tap on the plus sign right here to add a post, okay? Tap on the library or gallery button. Besides the photo, all right, at the bottom right, you'll be able to find an icon that got the live photo icon. Okay, so just basically select it. And once done, just tap on next. You should be able to see a live button icon right here down the gear icon. Just tap on it, make sure that it is enabled. And once done, tap on next and you're good to go. All right, that is it. And again, for Android users, we won't be able to do that unless your phone can handle the live photo feature, okay? But that is how you post live photos here on TikTok. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.